Hello, in this video I'll be demonstrating my real-time gyroscope dashboard developed for SIT 225 task 6.2 HD. So, this is the gyroscope data that I have used for this task. This is the same data that I have collected in 6.1p and now I have used for my 6.2 HD for both my first panel, my first dashboard panel and my second dashboard Streamlight. So, this is the code that runs the dashboard for panel. So we're going to try to run it now. It will take a few seconds. So here you can see this is the dashboard that visualizes live gyroscope sensor data updating automatically every 10 seconds. The dashboard is built using Python and I have implemented two versions, one using the Streamlit and the one using the panel. Both support live updates, interactive controls and clean visual summaries. So for this dashboard, let's begin with the chart controls. You can choose from three chart types: line, scatter, or histogram. You can also select which gyroscope axis to plot: GX, GY, ZZ, or for the Y axis GX, GY, ZZ, or enable all at once by using this show all axis. It will take a moment to update. Yeah. Then this dashboard supports data chunks using these buttons. If you want to dashboard to return auto scrolling mode, just click reset auto scroll, and if you want it to show the next set of data or the previous set of data, it can be done using these two simple buttons. And if you want to reset to, if you like, this is the previous set of data 60 to 69, this is the next set of data 70 to 79, and we can just reset to auto scrolling that allows to reset data every 10 seconds. And if you prefer to view the entire dataset at once, just simply click show all data, and we can also change the sample size per chunk using this control. If we want to use 20 samples per chunk, this is the data. So you can see, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn off the show all data checklist. Show chunk 2. So now this is showing us 20 samples. You can see index 0 to 19, 20 samples. And below the chart we have the data table showing the selected chunks for fully data, and on the side it is a detailed summary table that displays key statistics like mean, standard deviation and percentiles. And here is a here is a timestamp at the bottom that shows the last time the dashboard was updated, making it easy to verify that the data is refreshing in real time. To summarize, this dashboard visualizes live gyroscope data updates automatically every 10 seconds, providing flexible plotting and navigation controls. All code is cleanly structured, documented, and available on GitHub. You can view my code there. And so now I'm going to try to run my second dashboard, that is Streamlight. So for that we are just going to run this. I'm sorry. Yes. So this has opened the gyroscope data dashboard or Streamlit. And similarly, this dashboard visualizes live gyroscope sensor data and it updates automatically every 10 seconds. You can see it is updating on its own every 10 seconds. I can select the axis using this if I want to just use two. This is how I can. If I want to show the third axis as well, you just have to select this option. If you want to shift from line chart to scatter or to histogram, it becomes easy using this drop down. And for the previous set of data, just click on previous. It is 70 to 79 or 273, and for the next it is 80 to 89. And then we can also go back to auto scrolling by using this button, resume auto scroll, that will auto scroll the data every 10 seconds. This is a summary table that summarizes the count, mean, standard, minimum, percentiles, and data table that shows the set of data that are being used. We can increase or decrease the number of samples being used using this plus and minus button. See, I have used 50 samples now. It will take a moment to update, I guess. See, it is showing row 0 to 49 and now 50 to 99 or 273, right? So this is how my dashboards work. I have used these two dashboards because of their easy access and flexibility, and you can view my code on GitHub. Thank you for watching. This concludes the demonstration of my SIT 2256.2 HD real-time dashboard.